Hey everyone, so today, after a long time, we're doing another video. This time again on our valve covers, some update on our valve covers. So like you know, obviously we offer them in a slimline, we offer them in the OEM style. We also offer them for Evos. We're continue to upgrade our lineup, RBs here. Soon we're gonna have some Subaru stuff. So yeah, the main thing I want to talk to you about today is, and you come look, while other companies, when they make the product, they'll have some, what we call the billet lines, right? Which I'll show you later on the machine. But our products, the real thing here, it is super smooth. This is not polished. This is how it goes to anodizing. It comes back from anodizing. The surface finish is like this from the machine, super smooth. We really put a lot of time. So this is polished. We also offer them in polished with polishing. So we do anodizing, polishing. You can get them raw from the machine. The difference between the slim ones to the OEM ones, obviously the look and the mounting points. So for example, if you want to run the OEM coil cover, the plastic part, you can still run it on the OEM style. Or if you have an IGN 1A coil kit, you can still mount it here. While on the slim ones, a lot of people asking me, you cannot run it. So if you do have a IGN 1A kit, go with the OEM if you want to have this OEM look. If not, you can get our slim covers and run one of our R35 coil plates, coil kits that we sell. We also make them now for Evos. This is an Evo unit that we made cleverly to mount right inside here. And we got custom stocks and boots. I'll go onto your coil. So what I'm going to show you next is a little bit of the design and a little bit of work, what we put in this, how we make it on the machine. That's a new machine we just got. Running a lot of covers all the time, and yeah, let's go. So on the design sector, obviously we have a few designs here. In this case, the 2J, this is an OEM style cover, VVTi revision. We also have a 2J exhaust side, in this case a GE. We'll obviously have one for a GT as well. Also have a slim version, which will have a different design. We started doing these designs quite a long time ago. At the time, we started by ourselves, just me and my partner. Obviously now we have a bigger team, so we can have a bigger lineup and get the product better and better over time. We also have a 1JZ here. We have a 1JZ. This is an OEM model. In this case, we're doing some revision on the baffle system, trying some new things here. So yeah, we actually revise our products a lot of time during the years because we really strive to be the best possible. Now, after the design is done, like I mentioned in another video, it's not just that there's a button here that you can click and it'll just print it out to the machine or something. You have to actually tell the program what tool you want to use. For example, on Op1, we started with a pocket milling. You're gonna pocket and take out a bunch of material from the inside, finish this and put it on a vise on a special jig, rough out, do the same eye finishing. And every one of these operations, you have to tell the machine how fast to go, what tool to use, and that takes a little time. You have to choose the right tool. Sometimes it won't be as nice, so you find a different tool. In this case, you can see there's no hole here yet, and then we do the boring and put a ORB thread here. So yeah, this whole up to just the finishing takes 4 hours 38 minutes, and this is on paper. In actual real time, that will probably be 5 or 5.5 hours, and that's a long time. And the reason we do it is this is what differs us from the others. There's a bunch of companies doing valve covers, but we really do the best possibly can to give you the best quality valve cover. We don't do shortcuts. We do semi-finishing and finishing just to get this refined surface finish. And yeah, so go back to the machine. So there's another aspect that I wanted to talk to you about today, which is the surface finishing. Now come closer, I'll stop the machine for a second. So this is the finishing process, and basically we rough out the aluminum first. And then we come with a smaller tool to really clean it up and make it super smooth. Now, other companies, you'll get something similar to this. You see these ridges? See these ridges? That's what they call the billet lines. But Ichiban, we really put effort in. We put these 3-4 more hours to get you this finishing, which is basically a mirror finish out of the machine. We'll put the machine back to work. So here at Ichiban, we really care about what we produce, what we get out of here to your hands as a customer. You pay us good money, and we're giving you the best quality possible, unlike other companies which will save 2, 3, 4 hours on the finishing of the product to make that extra money. We actually give you the best quality possible, the best finish possible for what you pay for. So we'll let it run and we'll show it to you later when it's done. So now we have a finished product here in front of us, a few of them. This is a VVTi model, non-VVTi model. We got a G and GT exhaust sides. So yeah, like I mentioned before, the surface finish is just amazing. This machine specifically is doing only the op2 of these covers. So we start on the other machine, op1, which is the inside of the cover. We then transfer it to here, and then it'll rough it out, do the finishing. This takes roughly 5 or 6 hours per unit. Just the op2, just the finishing. And that's why our covers are really nice compared with others. And you can see how it looks. This is raw from the machine. This is how it comes. Obviously here, we're gonna put a baffle plate. Our baffles are pretty deep, as much as we can. We always work on that and keep upgrading and getting better and better over the years. So yeah, that's it. If you want a valve cover, we offer these in our website now. We're gonna continue and have a larger lineup over time. We're gonna have Subaru coming up soon. And yeah, check it out. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.